Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. This was last minute, but I am going to Florida on Thursday. So my parents are gonna come pick me up Wednesday, and then we're gonna fly off from JFK or somewhere in Long Island, and then just fly off. And I'm gonna leave with my parents to Florida. We're gonna fly to Florida. It was so last minute. We're gonna go and surprise my cousin that is getting married. She's not doing anything big right now. She's gonna just do family. So we told her that we don't know if we're gonna be able to go just because it was last minute, and we do have a party on Saturday. So we're leaving Thursday, we're staying there Friday, and coming back Saturday. Hopefully be here by like 5 p.m. So hopefully it works out and we can just make it to the party. But I'm very excited to go to warm weather. Matt is staying with Ace, unfortunately, today. Plane.
I have the honor.
We just landed we just got here what, an hour ago, and now we're going to the pool because I'm gonna tan. You know, back home it's like nasty and cold, and then we're here in the sun right now enjoying life. All right, so I'll see you guys when we get to the pool. Bye. And now me and Saz are in the gym. We're doing a little mini workout. And then we're gonna go. I didn't realize how out of shape I was. Go Saz. Hey, Chef Kala in the building! Heading back home. Bye. Wait, do I look tan though?
Hi, Kylie.
Yeah, Kylie, if you're watching. Hey, girl. Hey. So I'm back in New York with the fams. We're heading back home to PA. We're gonna get some coffee at our favorite coffee shop here, and then that's it, and then we're just bounce. So I'll see you guys when I get home. Right, Ace? You say hi, Nikki. Hi. Coffees. I got a caramel coffee, and you got a salted caramel. Is it good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Hey guys, I got new glasses. Aren't they so cute? They're super cute. I just got home from walking Ace. Matt is home too, so we're gonna go get some pellets, and I have to go grocery shopping, so that's gonna be fun. Ooh, it's cold outside. So let me know what you guys think down below. What do you think about my glasses? Huh? Do you like them or do you not like them? Like, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? I usually get like black glasses, so I do have a pair of clear glasses, but they're a lot smaller. So I don't know, I don't like them that much, but these I really like. These are really nice. And plus I needed new glasses because my other ones are super scratched because I wear them every day, but yeah, I think these are so cute. Perfect for spring. So I guess I'm gonna take you guys with me to go pellet shopping and food shopping. Do some adulting stuff, I guess, today. But yeah. See ya. We're at Lowe's. I didn't feel like going in. This is the second Lowe's. We went to Home Depot. They didn't have any pellets. And then we went to Lowe's, and then they didn't have any pellets. So now we're at this Lowe's, like 30 minutes away from the house. And hopefully, oh my God, excuse me. Ooh. Hopefully, they have pellets here. If not, I guess I'm gonna freeze. So, we came back to Lowe's. We got more pellet. What? You can come in. Oh. So we came back to Lowe's to get more pellets. Woo! That was a workout, right?
Chocolate.
Yeah, and now we're eating Kit Kats. I think we earned it. My arms feel like Jell-O. Pellets are in the house. Morning, guys. It is Wednesday, right? It's Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. I am virtual today, so happy. I've been up since like honestly 5 o'clock this morning. I don't know. I've just been wide awake. So I worked out. I'm doing my sheets, which I should put them in the dryer right now. Let's go do that. Ace is outside playing with his stick. Just showered, as you guys can see, and I'm going to blow out my hair, and then I have to go on a Zoom call later. I'm kind of hungry. Probably make myself some breakfast. Ooh, hair is done. Let me see. Oh, excuse me. It is really coming down. I don't know if you guys can see. It's really coming down now. So I'm gonna make myself a coffee. Probably make myself some eggs too. I'm a little hungry, so. This is what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah. I guess I'll see you guys later if I leave the house. I think I might go to my friend's house, but I'm not sure. If the roads are like really bad, then I'm not going. I'll just stay in. But I'll see you guys later. Bye. Matt's mom. It was Matt's mom's, but she barely used it, so. Ooh, it literally tastes, it kind of tastes like a creme brulee from Starbucks. No joke. Oh my God, that's really good. Oh my God, it's so good. I think I found my new thing. Okay, so I was trying to take a nap before, but it wasn't really working. So it is still snowing outside. So nice. It looks so pretty. I'm loving it right now. It's just so peaceful. Ace? He's right there. Hi. Really, Ace? That's Ace's stick. Look how pretty it looks. Want to show the vlog your stick? Say, this is my stick. Ace. Oh my God, Ace! Be careful. Get something.